In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your payment integration and verify that your checkout automation is working correctly. To begin, go to your payments area and open integrations. This is the first place to check because it tells you whether your payment provider, like Stripe or PayPal, is properly connected to your account. Before you run any kind of checkout test, you want to make sure that connection is active and healthy. If the integration is disconnected or not working properly, your test won't reflect the real customer experience, and any automation tied to the purchase may not trigger the way it should. Once you've confirmed that everything is connected, move into your payment settings and turn test mode on. This is a very important step because it lets you simulate a payment safely without charging a real card. In other words, you can test the entire checkout flow from beginning to end while keeping everything in a secure test environment. If you regularly switch between live mode and test mode, take an extra second here to make sure test mode is definitely enabled before you continue. That small check can save you from a lot of confusion later. Next, go to the specific form or funnel where your payment is actually integrated. You don't want to test the connection by itself. You want to test the exact page your customers will use so you can confirm that the page, the checkout experience, and the automation behind the purchase are all functioning together properly. While you're here, make sure you're looking at the correct version of the page and verify that the payment element is visible and ready to use. After that, open the page in an incognito window. This step is simple, but it matters a lot. Using incognito helps avoid issues caused by cached data, existing login sessions, or browser extensions that can affect how the page behaves. It creates a cleaner testing environment and gives you a more accurate view of what a first-time visitor would experience. Now complete the checkout using a Stripe test card. Because test mode is enabled, this allows you to go through the full payment process without making a real charge. As you finish the checkout, pay close attention to what happens next. The goal here is to verify that the expected automation triggers successfully after the transaction. That could be a confirmation step, an internal workflow, or another action connected to the purchase event. If everything works as expected, that confirms your payment setup and your checkout automation are connected properly. And that's how to safely test your payment integration from start to finish.